Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Lena, and first of all, sorry for not posting in videos. I was a bit held with my regular corporate work, but then yes, back on a couple of videos, and today I'm going to be talking about a couple of tips for not losing our mind. Yes, at times we end up losing our mind, which can get crankier a bit, and that can reflect on our work and professional and personal life, both in fact. So let's get into the video. Well, the first tip what I would give is specifically when you're at work or you are working from home, try not to eat your lunch at your desk. Yes, change your place or sit in a different place and enjoy, relish your food. It's so important to be away from what you are been doing for long hours, and it's definitely needed and recommended to stay away from your desk when you are taking a break, and specifically when you're having food, lunch. Ensure you're not having your food at your work desk. Yes. Here comes the next tip. Don't get involved in the office dramas. Yes. So, to keep your mind good and away from all the crankiness, it is recommended not to get involved in office dramas and gossips. It is definitely going to be annoying in terms of your mental peace, and it's going to get pretty judgmental on whatever you be or whichever teams you're there around, and it's going to be completely impacting the work, whether you are directly linked or you're not being directly looped in to that space. So it is definitely needed that you do not get involved in office dramas or gossips. I would say this is the least thing what any professional would love to do, and if they're real professionals, they would not get involved in these stuffs. We'll be giving you more tips. For now, that's it. See you later.